guess
All right.
I'll hold it right in the middle because that's okay. You ready to go?
Yeah, I'm videoing.
Okay, so again, Professor Schindler is filming this, and what I'm going to do is we're eventually going to spin this mass around, and I'm going to stretch it right now to the distance it's going to be spinning around at, and I'm going to measure the distance from the axle about which it's spinning, and it looks like the distance is going to be from the center of that shaft now, 22.5 centimeters, I would say plus or minus about 1 or 2 millimeters. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this paper clip, and we are going to begin spinning this around. And what you're going to have to do is I'm going to get it spinning, and it's going to be, I'm going to get it spinning until it's going at a rate so that it's going right over this point. And then I'm going to start counting, and we're going to count how many revolutions we're going to count.
40?
40 revolutions.
Sounds good.
And what you all are going to need to do is get out your stopwatch, and you're going to need to time how much time it takes to go around 40 times. And the reason you're going to do that is because you're going to need to determine the speed that this thing is rotating at. Okay? So you might think about, as it's spinning around, it's going to be going around in an orbit, in a circular orbit. Since we knew the radius of the orbit, you can figure out the circumference of the orbit. You need to think about the relationship between radius and circumference. So every time it goes around once, it travels that distance, the distance of the circumference. And then if you time how long it takes to go around, let's say 40 times, then you can figure out on average how long it takes to go around one time. And from the distance and the time of one orbit, you can figure out the speed at which this is traveling. Like, that's basically what you're going to do.
If we want to know the time it takes to do one lap, why don't we just time it doing one?
Good question. I think probably it's going to be, well, I think we'll probably be more accurate if we do 40 and then divide by 40, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I was playing devil's advocate, but because it's such a short time to do one, by the time you'd get your clock started, it would be over. So you'd have a much higher
Okay, so obviously
error.
I'm not balanced here. Okay, so I'm just going to fly off. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I hope this doesn't fly off while it's spinning, because that would hurt.
Do you need to balance your counterweight?
I think I do. I'm going to try that again, because it seems like it's really out of whack here. So I'm going to move this out a little bit. Okay. We're at a pretty wide orbit. Well, I like to live dangerously. Okay. So, I'm going to get it going. This is pretty fast. Okay. Ready. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
In case you wanted to do 50.
What?
In case you wanted to do 50 instead of
just
40.
in case they started late, then they can start on 10 and go to 50.
Oh, okay. All right.
Or start on 5 and go to 45. Give them a little bit of latitude.
That sounds like circular reasoning to me.
I like when I'm doing this, it gets kind of mesmerizing. I feel like I'm getting sleepy. Like hypnotized. Should we do this with the GoPro too? I'm going to do this with the GoPro. Ready?
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to do it one more time. So I'm ready. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. There we go.
Well, now you have two measurements, so they can average them together.
That's pretty good, yeah. Should we do one at a different radius or no?
Are we supposed to?
I don't think we need to do that. I say we hook up the GoPro to this and film it like that.
All right,
Okay,
I will pause.
Pause.